National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Fresno County in central California until 6:15 p.m. PDT. At 6:10 p.m. PDT, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located over extreme west central Fresno County, or about 13 miles southwest of Mendota near Interstate 5, and moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near rural western Fresno County at 6:30 p.m. PDT. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building but away from windows. Hail up to 1 inch in diameter has been reported with this storm. If you are in the path of the storm, take immediate action to protect life and property. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Fresno County in central California until 6:15 p.m. PDT.